Life Coach Shefali. Welcome to this series of annual readings for the year 2022. This reading will be live across the year. However, you have to remember that this is a general reading, so you have to take a guideline from this reading and plan your life accordingly basis your sun sign. Right, Taurians, let's see what's in cards for you for coming year 2022. This is the annual spread for all of you. So people who are born from 20th of April to 20th of May are Taurians. This is a general reading, so you have to pick and choose the advice that connects with you, but more or less it will align with your energies. So before we start with this annual reading, I want to tell you that this is a general reading, friends. For personalized annual summary readings or personalized monthly reports, you can connect with me and book your session or a report with me. Bookings are on for annual readings. So we have two packages here. One is annual summary report and one is monthly summary report. You can choose either of them and check the details with me offline. So let's quickly jump to your reading for Taurians. Let's see what's in cards for you. So we start with your relationship segment where we see door to personal happiness and healing open for you. So very positive and vibrant energy, very beautiful energy. You can actually, you will be enjoying your relationships. You'll be having fun time. You'll be holidaying, exploring relationship in a very different way. If you are already into relationship, you will be taking your relationship to the next level by nurturing it, and you will get necessary support from your partner. Some of you might be working on building a family where you are planning for a family, like bringing a newborn in your house, or getting committed to somebody for a long-term commitment, or you might be planning to just buy a new house for yourself where you want to pamper and take care of your family. So I can see you being through a very tough time in past, but this year is bringing it's bringing a lot of happiness, lot of nurturing, lot of wealth, in terms of wealth and abundance, that is in terms of a lot of love and care in your life, and you are going to take it seriously to work on that relationship. So you're not leaving it to destiny, leaving it to time. So you are taking things in your hands and proactively working on building some good relationship, some good social network, and whatever bad phase you have been through, you have survived it, and you are taking things positively, using your maturity to build a better and a refreshed relationship. So overall relationship is looking really nice. The phase is looking very good for you in the coming year for most of you. Just in some cases where you have maybe hurt or you have been having a bitter taste, leave it to time. Things will heal. Give it time. Don't push anything on anybody. Things will shape up in its own time. Coming to, friends, career, we have action in the reverse position. Somewhere your career is looking obstructed, or you might face certain blockages, either totally or at certain junctures where you were actually looking for major action. However, though there is a blockage, though there is a slow action, for some of you it could be slow action, for some of you it could be long-term blockage, for some of you it could be a short-term or a periodic blockage, but overall your career is looking good as we have celebration cards. So somewhere you are still appreciated, you are awarded for your work, for your past effort. You are networking with people, building new relationship, building new business bonds and ties. You are going to a next level in your career. You will be recognized in the industry that you belong to. You will be recognized in the field that you are belonging to, and I can see you healing yourself in your career segment. So though there is a blockage, there is a delay, you are going to heal that blockage and remove it from your life and try to make the most out of the current growth phase that is coming in your way. So in spite of blockage, you are growing, just the speed could be slow. So you'll have to put little more efforts or be little more proactive in healing these blockages. Coming to your finances, friends, we can see anxiety cards surrounding your finances. So somewhere you're worried things are not shaping up, or maybe things are getting delayed in terms of conversions, or you're anxious about the results of the past investments, or you are not sure what to do about your future investment. Maybe you have been through a tough time in your investment phase in the current in 2021, but I can see you still getting support and getting a hold on your financial growth, because the entire world is with you to support you to take it to the next level, in a better manner. You might get support from the authority, so don't create any negative energy by anxious thoughts and fear unnecessarily, because though you might feel that, it still So though you might feel anxious, it's not that bad state. There is a government authority. There are some senior authorities in the segment or in the field, or there are some experts who are very well connected, or you are well connected, or you will get well connected to get things sorted for you in terms of financial planning. So I don't see much stress in terms of financial planning, though you might feel anxious. Entire world is going to support you through this phase and take you to the next level in terms of financial growth. Coming to your healing, friends, coming to your cards of health, healer of the energy, healer of the ages energy is supporting you to heal yourself across whatever segment there was blockage in. So your health seems to be healing. You were maybe carrying a lot of things in your body, in your mind, in your soul, but you seem to be healing yourself now. You will get necessary support of the healers, counselors, or spiritual teachers or guides, and you will be taking your health to the next level. You will be taking proactive actions to take care of your health. You'll be creatively aligning yourself to your healthcare regime and taking your health to the next level. Abundance is the chakra advice card guiding you that you are expecting abundance in the coming year. So don't worry, things will shape up, even if they look little slow, appear little slow. Ascendant Masters energy is guiding you. So whichever divine authority you believe in, whichever divine power you follow, whether it is Jesus or Buddha or Ganesha or any spiritual teacher in the Muslim fraternity, whichever religion or sect you follow, your guides, your ascendants are there to guide you with and help you in the tough time that you are experiencing. Agnya Chakra is the card which is dominating your year, so you will be intuitively blessed. So it is very much aligning, this card is very much aligning with your Ascendant Masters card, which is saying that there is a divine source that is guiding you. It is taking you to the next level in terms of your intuitive guidance. So don't worry, things will shape up for you. Even if they look slow, even if they look blocked, things will open up sooner. And it is going to be a mixed year for you, but you will be blessed in terms of relationship. Your health will be fine. Your career is also looking good to an extent. Even your financials will be taken care of. So don't just block your growth because of some negative thought or anxiety or stress, which is not needed at this point of time. So I hope this reading helps you guys. Take care, friends. So friends, I would like to tell you that if you want to book a personal reading, if you are looking for a personal report, the bookings are open. The booking is open right now. We have two packages for personal report, annual personal reading report for tarot reading. Book right now, because these are limited reports which I'll be giving on first come first serve basis. Don't forget to check out my website www.astrovruksbyshafali.com. You will be able to see what all services I provide, because we are a multi astro a psychic stream brand, so where we use different streams in astrology and psychic medium, psychic sciences, to arrive at the most optimal solution with a practical and a scientific and non-sales driven approach totally. So you can check our principle, our pillars of the brand. You can check what all services I'm offering, what are the packages available. And I would like to mention, friends, that we are present globally. So I service clients across the globe sitting right here in Mumbai. So it is very practical, very doable. So wherever you are based, it is irrespective of the location. I can service you. All you need to do is just connect with me across the phone call or a Zoom session or a telephonic session. So that is about Astro Vruksh by Shafali. We are integrated destiny management solutions brand. To know more about it, you can check our channel promo on Astro Vruksh by Shafali. I would also like to take an opportunity to announce here that this year we will be starting Astro Vruksh Academy, wherein we will be offering different courses in different segments to start with tarot reading. Friends, I would request you to share these videos with more and more people so that they can also get guidance through these general readings, through these personal, so that they can also get some personal guidance through it. You can share it through WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, and populate it as much possible so that they can get free guidance through these free videos at least. And do follow my social media channels. I would be open to know your feedback through comments. Do share your comments on this video and on other videos too. If you have any suggestions, try to pass it on. Unfortunately, I have not been able to do a lot of picker card readings this year because I have been caught up with a lot of pre-commitments, but I will try to do it for the coming year surely. If you are wanting any specific topic on which I should cover picker card readings, do suggest it to me. Thank you and see you soon.